Okay, I got this 2005 4.8 Tahoe motor, 4L60 transmission installed. I have it running. It runs on 5 cylinders. Cylinder 4, 5, and 8 will not. They will not fire at the correct time. Now those cylinders show spark. Those cylinders show injector pulses with the Noid light. I've cleaned the injectors. I've swapped the injectors to make sure I had good injectors in those holes. It's always the same 3 cylinders that misfire. I swapped the coils around. I just did a compression test. Good compression all the way around. I went through, because the next thing is going to be, hey, you bought this cheap LS swap wiring harness. I'm not completely 100% sure that I went through it, but I did do the continuity with the coil wires and the injector wires, and everything looks good. The ECU is a 5.3 ECU out of a Suburban. The guy threw it in with this motor. He had it on the harness that was on here to make it run. I don't know why it didn't have the regular ECU on it. Maybe the ECU is bad, but I don't know how the ECU would show the timing off. It's entirely possible. I'm not ruling it out. I am looking for some advice, some help on making this thing fire to get it right. Also, when I got this truck, and I thought this might have been a wiring harness problem, still not completely sure it wasn't, but the transmission, the reverse didn't work. So picked up another transmission yesterday. Once I get this thing running like it's supposed to, I'm going to swap that out. This thing's ready to drive. I've got coolant, I've got power steering, I've got everything I need. Obviously, it's going to need a tune once I get it dialed in. But to have it start and running on 5 cylinders consistently, I don't know where else to go with this. So anyway, I'd like to get this truck going on the road. I do have another harness that I can possibly pick up. I'm thinking about just buying another ECU for giggles and seeing if I can eliminate that. But in the process, I spend about an hour a day tinkering around with this thing. It's a hobby. I'm trying to learn with this. And, I would like to do more swaps in the future. I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing it for fun. And we're just trying to learn. So for the guys that are beating me up for buying cheap shit, that's fine. I need to be beat up. But if that's part of the process of solving it, then so be it. But I'm just trying to learn a little bit more about how all of the sensors work and how everything goes together, just to make this thing, it's a fun project. So anyway, any advice would be welcomed.